Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer shrimp and sausage kebabs. Let's begin. We have here some shrimp. The size is 1620 per pound. The shrimp is already deveined. What we have to do is just remove the shell. Just remove the shell off the shrimp. Just like that. And then the tail, you just grab the end of it and remove the shell. We're going to put the shrimp to the side for right now. We'll need some Johnsonville smoked sausage, and we'll need half of it. Let's cut it open. We're going to cut the sausage around ½ an inch thick. Here we go. We're going to put the sausage on the side for right now. We have here 4 wooden skewers, and we're going to cut them down to size. Let's see here. We should cut the skewers around right here. There we go. We have 4 skewers cut to size. And we're going to put that to the side for right now. Next, we're going to season the shrimp. We'll need around 12 pieces. Here we go. We have 12 pieces. I'm going to wash my hands real quick. We're going to season it lightly with some salt. There we go. Some garlic powder. Some onion powder. Some oregano. Some basil. And lastly, some ground black pepper. Next, turn them over and do the same thing. There we go, we season both sides. Try to use up all the seasoning on the cutting board. Next, we're going to line them up into like an S shape. Just like that. There we go. Next, we're going to take the sausage and put it in between the shrimp. Just like that. There we go. Next, we're going to skewer the shrimp and sausage kebabs. We're going to take the skewer and poke it through like that. There's one. Skewer the second one. Just like that. And the last one. Here we go. We have one kebab done. It should look something like this. This is what it looks like before we put it into the air fryer. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the shrimp and sausage kebabs. But before we put in the shrimp and sausage kebabs, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. Let's put in the sausage and shrimp kebabs. Make sure they're nicely spaced out. Looking good. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it back to 400 degrees for a total time of 7 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 3 minutes so far. Let's flip it over real quick. Looking good. We're going to flip it over. There you go. We flipped it all over. And let's put it back in for the last 4 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 7 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer, shrimp and sausage kebabs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.